So there we got the nose. So now you can see that it's a bit dark across here. So we just put a bit of a shade there, and then we got our dark, and we can go with a darker pencil down this side here. So you got that nice little color ridge there. And down by the eye, you got a little darker area here, a little line that comes down. Just plotting these. And also there's this darker patch down here. This side is not as dark because the light's coming from this side, so you got more shadow on this side than here. So you won't have this side as equally dark as that. So, but you still need to see it, but put it in very, very lightly. All these little lines, very, very lightly here. It's a bit darker. So let's slowly build up. Go back here to the stump. Let's very lightly at first, just go over that. Bring some of those marks, this colour, bring it up sort of towards the top of the head. We're starting to build that up. It's a bit darker on the top of this corner here, around the edge, and across the top here. Let's say we've made some of these ones here a little bit too dark. What you do, just come over with a white pencil and just lightly go over it, and you'll find that you soften it down. But don't make it too. Don't go put too white. Just very lightly over the top, feather light, and you find you get that into a nice color. So these ones here is a bit darker. Just touch it very lightly across here. There we go. Right, let's start carry on here with this ear. So we got this a little bit darker here. A bit darker in this area. Darker down here. You notice there's like a bluey sheen in the on the dog. Obviously, he's outside, or wherever he is, but the light, it looks like he may be inside, but there's the light from the window is coming in and coming through onto him here. So you've got that blue, slightly blue light. So I've got a blue pencil, and I'm going to very lightly just put a bit of a blue in here. So it actually goes into, with this color, it goes into like a gray color. So you take that blue over the brown, and it goes this nice lovely grey colour that goes over the top here, around the side, this little corner, down here, and we'll do the lower end a bit later. So let's do that. You've also got some on the top end here, this nice blue sheen coming in here. So let's put a bit of a blue in there, and down in here, very lightly first. Very light. And got a bit of a blue sheen in here. It's the opposite color. You've got the orange and your blue. They work very, very well together. Here, got a bit of a blue tinge in this corner. And you've got blue into here as well, and up into here. So we're going to put a slight little touch of blue here. And in this area, very light, very light. Little touch in here. All this area's got a very light touch of blue. You can see I'm doing it very, very softly. And down in here. Let's get the stump again.